Challenge. Craft drop challenge.
Come on, they bring it before you fly.
Oh, yeah. I think no, only on Sunday.
You know I checked out yesterday.
When I break my finger.
Oh yeah.
I'm surprised you catch no picture when I was next to that thing.
Why are you smiling for?
Because it's the first gift I ever get you.
Why are you smiling for?
Because this is the first time I ever buy you a gift for your birthday. Ah! Not even open it.
Open the thing.
I got it.
I'll get it just now. Don't fret, I'll get that.
I want to put this on Snap.
The bomb.
Calm drop challenge.
That's another box again?
Yeah.
You take it too long now. It's only 10 seconds, you know.
Wait, don't open it. Yeah, don't open it. Open this thing.
If there's have an animal in here,
No.
oh my god.
It's a
Cough drop! A cough drop! A cough drop! A cough drop! You need some Ricola! Woo! 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 Come. We need a picture together. I cheated. I cheated.
Why you wicked? This one are you laughing?